Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for some practical Hakka right here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，我是 Joseph Ling.I'm hungry, 好肚子饿哦。肚子饿忘记了。
肚子摇。
肚子摇。Okay, when you're hungry, what do? You go to a restaurant and you order food. So let's talk about ordering food and some of the terms that you might use if you go to a Hakka restaurant. 其实我们以前教过很多跟食物有关系，可是比较少实际说到餐厅啦，尤其是像客家小菜真的很好吃，你知道吗？要去点菜啦，可能比如说我要问说，你要点什么菜？
我问朋友说你要点什么菜？
对 What do you want to order? How do you say that in Hakka, Alice?
OK， 我要点麻鸡菜。
点麻鸡要点哪一个？
对，我要点麻鸡菜。
麻鸡菜就是 food 那样子。What do you want to order? 那如果说是要问说，请问什么菜比较好吃？
麻鸡菜较好吃。
I was asking how to say, what tastes better here? What is their signature dish? And you say?
麻鸡菜较好吃。
较好吃较好吃的对那有的时候是可能要问老板来推荐啊。Here in Taiwan, a lot of people like to ask the owner of the restaurant, Hey boss, what do you recommend here? 调咖
Yeah, 老板
Okay, that's the boss or the restaurant owner.
推荐吃麻鸡。
推荐吃麻鸡你推荐吃什么Okay, so what do you recommend to eat? And then finally, a lot of times when we order stuff, we want to say, keep it simple or not too oily, not too salty, maybe a little spicy. 我们来教说，不要太油、太咸，但是要加一点点辣的菜。
唔好太油。
唔好太油 Okay, that means not too oily.
太鹹。
鹹 That's salty, not too salty.
加啲啲嘅辣。
啲啲咧就是少少少的少許 a little bit Okay, a little bit spicy.
海陸腔太油太油
That's a different dialect. And 四縣
太油
Okay, so again, just a slight tone difference right there with different dialects. Wow, you know what? I'm really, really hungry now. 这越讲越饿啊，我们赶快去吃吧。
好啊，你呛啊。
OK 啦，因为 Alice 教我客家话，我就请你客家菜了。All right, that's it for today's practical Hakka.
生活太嘎，
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.